Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I'm doing now, people, is the final part of this stage. I've still got to come back and tile that, but they haven't got the the tiles, and I've got to tile that yet. But they're waiting for the tiles to come from Sydney. It takes a couple of weeks, so I silicone this now. I take the rest of the day off and I start another bathroom tomorrow. I'll be stripping that out and then I'll be coming back and doing this other stuff. What I'm doing here is two colours of silicone. This grout is slate grey and I've got a matching silicone in slate grey. What you do is just check that you've got no grout left anywhere. Just run down your joint. So I'll use slate grey up there, slate grey up that internal and along the bottom, and then I'll do white. So I want to be I've got two guns because I'll be doing it both together, because once you spray, that's it. I didn't notice that bit of grout there, so we've got that off. Just get that grout out of there, so I've got a nice corner. Give it a little sweep. So what I'll do, folks, is go up there, come along here a bit, the same there, come down there, go along a bit, and then I'll get into my white and go in there and away, and then I can spray it all and I'm not stuffing things up, so to speak. So I'm able to do it all in one. When you're siliconing, cut your nozzle. See how I've cut my nozzle? Snozzle. You don't want it too wide, but you want it so it gives about a 4mm bead. Cut it on a bit of an angle, poke it up there, and then just squeeze the same pressure and keep moving your gun as fast as or slow as it comes out. Then when you get down, you just take the pressure off it, start at the bottom, and you try and get the best bead you can, and then you flick your switch. I haven't got a piece of tile, I need a piece of tile. Or what's this? Wipe your nozzle like that. So you start off clean again. Right, I'll go along here a bit. That'll do. Right, other gun with my white. And zap my white. Don't spray past where you haven't been, people. So be very careful, stay away. Because once you spray your tiles, you can't silicone over it. It's got to be dry. Then all you do is just zap your paddle pop stick in there. When it builds up, give it a wipe. See how I've changed? I changed my angle then. That was just to catch the furry bits that were getting left behind. And down we go. If you've never done silicone before, you will surprise yourself how easy it is. And that, I go on about this little sucker all the time. My favourite hand tool. Going for the nice corner. And again. Right, I'll take that home, Mama. Hopefully I can, yeah. I've got away with that with the squeeze. I don't know if you noticed, but I had run along there with water, but I just noticed a bit of a hole that I'd missed. I just noticed a little bit of grout there that I need to tidy it up, but I'll come back to that. With soapy water, you don't need heaps, you know, like a bottle that size. Just get your liquid soap and give it a bit of a squeeze for a couple of seconds. That'll do. That's heaps, and then fill it up with water. Just checking with your hand tool. There's a little bit of wax still in the grout there. There's another piece, but that'll come off. The cleaners will get that off, so that's lovely. I'll do the same here, and then I can join up the middle. See you soon, dudes. Stay tuned with Chris O's channel. I'm out to teach absolutely everything I know. See ya.